I'm pretty much the same, just older.
A lot of people in America still don't really understand.
Yes.
A recent book, We All Shine On, John, Yoko and Me, by Elliot Mintz, a close friend and former spokesperson for John Lennon and Yoko Ono, reveals a chilling insight into the days leading up to Lennon's tragic death. According to Mintz, Ono had been cautioned that Lennon's life was in jeopardy in New York City before his murder on December 8, 1980. But she found herself powerless to keep him from the fate that would ultimately unfold. In an excerpt shared with The Times, Mintz reveals a conversation in which he questioned Ono's use of advisors, given the horrific event they had all failed to predict. Following Lennon's murder by obsessed fan Mark David Chapman outside their home in New York, Mintz urged Ono to participate in a radio interview to dispel misinformation and clear the air about her late husband. In response, Ono stated that she would consult her advisors, a circle of trusted tarot readers and numerologists she often turned to for guidance. But Mintz couldn't resist questioning them. If these advisors are as good as you believe they are, why is it that none of them saw what was going to happen to John? Why was there no warning? Ono's reply, Mintz recalls, left him speechless. She disclosed that she had in fact received warnings about Lennon's safety. "I was told he was in danger in New York, and that he should be removed immediately," Ono claimed. "That's why I sent him to Bermuda over the summer. But I couldn't keep him away forever. He had to come back at some point." This revelation underscores the ominous reality that both she and Lennon were well aware of the risks he faced, yet unable to alter the tragic outcome. Further in the conversation, Ono shared the couple's outlook on personal security and protection. "You know how John felt about his own safety," she explained. She recounted a conversation with Lennon about safety concerns after actor Sal Mineo, a friend of Mintz's, was murdered. Lennon's response had been pragmatic, even fatalistic. "If they're going to get you, they're going to get you," he told Ono. His aversion to bodyguards and security measures, viewing them as unnecessary constraints, left him exposed but in alignment with his own ideals of freedom and autonomy. Despite Lennon's global fame and the intense public attention he faced, he clung to the notion that he should be able to live without constant protection. Ono's words paint a poignant picture of her attempts to safeguard Lennon, albeit against his wishes, as he ultimately refused to compromise his values. Mark David Chapman, who fatally shot Lennon outside his home at the Dakota, remains behind bars today. He has been denied parole since 2000, and each hearing brings renewed scrutiny to his crime and the ripple effects it left on Lennon's family, friends, and fans. Mintz's revelations provide a haunting perspective on the events leading up to Lennon's death, one that deepens the tragedy for Ono, who not only lost a husband but faced the devastating knowledge that she had tried to prevent the loss.